Hi Daniel. How are you?
Hi Emma. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, but I was really sleepy this morning.
Me too. The math class made it worse.
Yes. The teacher gave us so many questions.
Did you understand all of them?
Most of them, but the last problem was confusing.
I agree. It was really complicated.
Maybe we can solve it together during the break.
That's a great idea. It's easier when we study together.
By the way, did you finish the English homework?
Yes, I did. But my essay became a little long.
Same here. The topic was interesting though.
Yeah, my dream job is a nice topic. What did you write about?
I wrote about becoming a doctor. What about you?
I wrote about being a software engineer.
That fits you. You really like computers.
Exactly. I enjoy coding a lot.
Do you want to go to the library at lunch and study a bit?
Sure, but first I need to eat. I'm really hungry.
Me too. I hope there's pasta today.
I hope so. Oh, and we have PE tomorrow.
Yes. That's my favorite class.
Really? I like it too, but running makes me tired.
Same. But it's good exercise.
Definitely. Oh, the bell is about to ring.
Let's go to class then.
Okay, see you at the break.
See you.